Children, we are going for the practice paper of KV. Right, the decimal expansion of an irrational number may be, decimal expansion of irrational number may be terminating, recurring, either terminating or non-recurring, non-terminating, non-recurring. Non-terminating, non-recurring. Answer is D. Right? Next. What would be the denominator after rationalizing 7 by 5 root 3? 7 by 5 root 3 minus 5 root 2. Denominator rationalizing. What we have to do? 7 into 5 root 3 minus 5 root 2. Correct? Minus or plus? Plus. Here what happens? 5 root 3 whole square minus 5 root 2 whole square. They asked only denominator. We will work on the denominator itself. Is equals to 25 into 3 minus 25 into 2. How much it happens to be? 75 minus 50 is equals to 25. That is the answer of second one. What is the answer here? C, 25. Are you ready? Next. In between two rational numbers there is R. Is or R exactly one rational number, infinitely many rational number, only rational numbers, irrational numbers, infinitely many rational numbers. Right? Next. Value for this one. Next. Right, what is the next question? 4 fourth root of 16 power 16. 16 power minus 2. Anybody? Fourth root of, what we can write here? 4 square whole square whole power minus 2. Correct? Then what happens? Fourth root of 4 power minus 4. I already told you qth root of a power p is equals to a power p by q. Correct? By that what we get? We get a 4 power minus 4 by 4 gets cancelled. 4 power minus 1 is equals to 1 by 4 answer. Understood? Randomly write, children. Why? Because I cannot stop for you. Again repeat. Okay, va? Next. Fourth question, I think. This is the third one, fourth one over. Next. What is that? Next question. Root 12 into root 15 is equals to, they asked us answer. Tell me, children, what we can write? First, root of 12 into 15. Can write or not? Right. Next, 3 table. 3, 2 into 2. Correct? Next, this one. 3 into 5. That is equals to, double 3 is there, 1 3 you got, double 2 is there, 1 2 you got, left with root 5 is equals to 6 root 5. Any doubt in that? Answer is 6 root 5. Okay. Next, what is the next question? Which of the following is irrational? Which of the following? D is irrational. Why? Because 0.14 can be converted as P by Q form. Yes or no, children? 0.14 can be written as P by Q form. Correct? This also can be converted as P by Q form. Then what about a bar formula, bar problem also? P by Q form, can we make it or not? Already we had problems also. Then lastly, answer is irrational number. That is the answer of irrational number. Next, which of the following is irrational in this? Root 4 by 9. 4 by 9 value is 2 by 3. That means root will be last. Then it is a rational only. Next, root 12, root 3. What we can do here? Root of 12 by 3, 3 1s are, 3 4s are, is equals to root 4 equal to 2. Then it is also rational number. Correct? Yes or no? Root a by root b is equals to root a by b, which can give the answer. Next, root 81 is 9. That is also rational. Then one and only irrational is root 5. Okay, va? Next, the product of a rational and an irrational number is always an integer, always a rational number, always irrational number. Sometimes rational and sometimes irrational. Which one? Say, for example, irrational number you are saying, na? Huh? Always irrational number. Why? Because if you take 1 by 2, it is a rational number. Correct? Root 3 I am taking. What happens? Product. Root 3 by 2. What happens for me? Again it will come as irrational number only. That means always, always, where it is here, always, always irrational number. Next, root 6 into root 27 is equal to, anybody? Root 6 into root 27. Root 6 into root 27 is equals to 6 into 27. Anybody? 6 7s are 42, 4, 6 2s are 12, 162. Something more than that it will be. Like 3 into 2 and 3 into 3 into 3. That means 1 3 as well as another 3 and root 2 is equals to 9 root 2 is the answer. Right? Okay. Next, I think it is over from this side. Next. Right. Now, assertion and reason. Root 5 is irrational number. A number is called an irrational number if cannot be written in the form of P by Q or Q are integers, Q is not equal to 0. Yeah, both assertion and reason are correct. Correct explanation, reason. Correct? Next, first this one answer is yeah. Simplify root 5 plus root 2 whole square. Known one. Anybody orally? 5 plus 2 7. 7 into 2 root 10. 7 plus 2 root 10 is the answer. Correct? 7 plus 2 root 10. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. That's what we done here. Okay, va? A square means 5 square, 5 root 5 whole square, b square root 2, known one only, children. That's why we directly do short answer type. Then what about root of 3 power minus 2? Root of 3 power minus 2, what will be? Ah, sure. First what we will write? 1 by 9 will write. Then answer is 1 by 3. Or else 3 power what 1? Minus 1. Both answers are correct. Okay, va? Next, if not another type of how you do? How you are going to do? 3 power minus 2 into root means 1 by 2. 2, 2 cancel means again you will get the same value for answers. Okay, va? Next, identify a rational number among the following numbers. Which one are rational numbers? Which one are rational numbers? Third Roman. 2 plus root 2 is there. Huh? Okay. 0 rational number. Next, others numbers irrational numbers. Why? Because root 2 is irrational. Again root 2 is irrational. Product of irrational number also irrational. Sum of irrational number is also a irrational number only. Pi already known irrational number. Pi is irrational number. Then 0 alone a rational number. Then this one, evaluate root 5 plus root 2 whole square, root 8 minus root 5 whole square. We can do on our own itself by applying the formulas. Ama. Do? Okay. We can do, that's what I am saying. Right, next. See here children, this may be not a question for here for us. X is equals to 15 root of minus 2. Okay, va? Maybe it is of what type of substitution it is? Substitution. X value substituting values. How we are going to do? 15 root minus 2 means what will be there in x cube? Children, tell me. X cube minus 3 square minus 5x plus 3. I think your print mistake is there, children. What will be this question in the sense? It will be example. See here, x cube minus 3x square minus 5x plus 3. Let us think that this is what x? P of x. In that P of x, what you have to substitute? 15. 15 root minus 2 you have to substitute. These numbers has to substituted in the above equation to get the final. Okay, it is not a 2 marks question, it's around 3 marks question only, definitely, where we have to do a lot of work is there to do it. Okay, shall I start doing? What will be? Right, tell me children. First 15 root minus 2 whole cube minus 3 into 15 root minus 2 whole square minus 5 into 15 root minus 2 plus 3. Okay, va? Then what happens for this? 15 into 15 into 15 calculation should be done. In that 1 2 will be inside the root only. 1 minus 2 will be inside the root only. The 2 2's will be taking off a square and coming out of the square box. Like how it will be now? 15 cube into minus 2. 15 cube into how much it is? 15 cube into minus 2. Okay, va? Minus 2. Still one more root 2 is there, minus root 2. Minus 3 into 15 square into root minus 2 whole square minus 2. Next 15 5s are 75 root minus 2 plus 3. See, after multiplying everything else, this number and this number will be what? Added together. Then what numbers will be added together? This number and 3 will be added together to give some constant. Then answer will be of a number followed by root minus 2 and a constant it will be. Okay? Can you do it? Write down this part. Shall I erase top one? Right, what will be this one? 15 cube 225 into 15. 1 2 has come out. Only 1 2 is left. Correct only. Now it's time for you to find out 225 into 30 minus 30. 225 into minus 30. If you tell, I will go with the head of answer. 225 into 30. Minus 6750 root minus 2. Root minus 2. Then again it is minus of minus plus 15 square 225 into 6. 225 into 6. 225 into 6. 1350 minus 7 root minus 2 plus 3. Now this one minus number, that is also minus number, therefore minus 6825 root minus 2 plus 1350 plus 3 53. This is the answer of that problem. Okay, this is the answer for the above problem. Any doubt in this? Then we come to know find a rational number between 1 and 2. Maybe mistake it will be. If not, something question wrong. We will verify it. That's what we added 3x square. 3 square they kept, we kept 3x square. That term is not completed. See, here term is not completed. That means one x square is lost. Shall we? Next page. We'll go for next page, after that come back. Okay. Find two rational numbers between 0.1 and 0.3. Find two rational numbers between 0.1 and 0.3. What are the numbers? How many numbers you can say? Say me two numbers enough for me. Hey, decimal numbers only should say. 0.2, 0.21, something else. Like that on two numbers. That is up to you. You can give n numbers. Whatever you give, answer will be right. But it should not be less than 0.1, greater than 0.3. Directly writing 2 marks question only it is. That's all. Directly we can write the answer. See, if it is a particularly one number means definitely what we have to do? We have to give exact answer. That time what we do? What we do? A plus B by 2 or P plus Q by 2 formula we will apply. Okay, va? Next, lastly, 4 plus root 3, 4 minus root 3. 4 plus root 3, 4 minus root 3. 16 minus 3, it is 13. Okay, va? Next, last, root 3 plus root 2 whole square. N number of times we have did this problem for the MCQ. What is that? For answer is 5 plus 2 root 6. 5 plus 2 root 6. Then, right, second one. It's a testing time for us. Again, rationalize the denominator. Some questions are given here. Okay, can you visualize, children? Rational numbers 1 and 2, 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Already we did a good revision for on these problems. Find the decimal expansion of 10 by 3, 7 by 8, 1 by 7. Find three different rational numbers between 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. Three different rational numbers. How we are going to find out? Between these rational numbers, irrational number want to write. First two decimal points you have to divide and find the decimal number, and then continuity number you have to give. Continuity number, that means what number? Recurring decimal you have to write it. Okay, va? Next, 3.76 magnification, it is not deleted topic. Okay, root 9.3 number line already taught for you in a brief manner itself, but learn that one for one model itself. Like don't practice separately for 3.5 one time, 9.3 one time. Take x value as a goal of the answer. 7.2 in future give also, you can substitute the answer directly. Some other number, new number is given also, we can find that easily. Okay, va? Next, simplify 7 power 2 by 3, 7 power 1 by 5. Anybody? 7 power 2 by 3, 7 power 1 by 5. 7 power 2 by 3 into 7 power 1 by 5 is equals to 7 power 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. Again butterfly, 15, 10 plus 3 is equals to 7 power 13 by 15. That is the answer. Okay, va? Next, here second one, 10 power 1 by 2 by 10 power 1 by 4. What you have to do? 10 power 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 is equals to 10 power half minus 1 by 4. 1 by 4. 10 power 1 by 4. Next, trying for the decimal, 3 1 by 8 in the form of decimal. How can you change? Anybody? 3 1 by 8 in decimal. Here I am making this one as 3 plus 1 by 8 into what number? Zeros I want. Denominator like 10, 100, 1000 multiples. 1, 2, 5. Very good. 8 in the sense it is 125 only it should take. That means 3 plus 125 by 1000. That is equals to 3.125 is the answer for that. 8 1 by 3 in the decimal form. 8 1 by 3 in the decimal form. If it is 4 is there, then what you will multiply? 4 is there in the denominator. 25. 2 is there? 5. Okay. Then rationalized denominator, you know. Again, shall I skip? Next. Where? So decimal format only they asked. You do that also, you will get same. You try? Huh? Same. This everything tried after that only this shortcut has come up. Huh? This. Right? Now? Okay, let us we go for the next data. Wait children, formula we are seeing just. Next. Right. Now? Now? Okay, va? Right. Now, this color okay, va, pa? Red there? Pa? I think some people are having color blindness. Here I cannot write. Hey, idiot fellow. White igara. This screen board color da same. Pink. Okay. Okay. Right, ready. Next. MCQ questions. Root 2 is a polynomial of degree. Degree. 1 by 2. 0, man. A constant polynomial whose degree is 0. The degree of polynomial in 4x power 4, 0x cube, 0x power 5. Answer is 5. 4, sir. This one number is deleted. What is that? Super intelligence. Hey, simply see for a big fishes and all we want to try with what is that, big nets like that we have to try. But here simply one small, what is that, one small rubber fish if you put means itself big fishes and all we can catch easily. We thought, okay, the degree of 0 polynomial is not defined. P of x value, P of 2 root 2 is given. When substitute, we will get an answer of, anybody? Anybody? This is 8. Again 8. That answer is 1. 8 minus 8, 0 plus 1, 1. Kavya, are you concentrating? The value of the polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3, if x is equal to minus 1. Here it is minus 1, next minus 4 plus 3. It is minus 5 plus 3, answer is minus 2, D. Okay, va? Then what about this? P of x is equal to x plus 3. P of x minus x. Answer is see carefully and tell me. In the place of x minus x, x plus 3 minus x plus 3. Total is x cancel. Answer is 6. X plus 3 minus x plus 3 gets cancelled. It's equal to 6. Right? Next. Right, next. The 0 of the polynomial P of x is equals to 2x plus 5. Answer is, what we have to do? 2x plus 5 is equals to 0. 2x is equals to minus 5. X is equals to minus 5 by 2. Answer is B, minus 5 by 2. Then last one, 8th one. The value of 249 square minus 248 square. 249 square minus 248 square. Anybody? What will be a square minus b square? That means 249 plus 248 into 249 minus 248. Here it is 1, then this one total is, what is that total? 18, 16, 17, 9, 497. The answer is 497. D answer. Okay? Zero of polynomial. What we have taken? Wait. Minus 5. Minus 4 plus 3. Minus 5 minus 4 plus 3 is equals to minus 9 plus 3. How much it is? Minus 6. Oh, maybe wrongly taken. Okay. This is the correct answer for that. Let us see, children, this one. Five into minus 1, 4 into minus 1 whole square plus 3 minus 5. Children, minus 5 minus 4, this one plus 1, it becomes plus 3. Minus 9 plus 3 is equals to minus 6. Answer is minus 6. Now, okay, at least black. Right? Next. Right. This is another question. Can you identify this question? 49. 49 x square minus b is equals to 7x plus 1 by 2. 7x minus 1 by 2. Two questions are there. They asked to find out b, correct? Yes or no? Now, which is ready? 7x, it will become as 49x square. But b we have to find out. Plus 1 by 2 whole square. 1 by 2 whole square. 1 by 2 whole square is equals to 1 by 4. What is the value of b here? 1 by 4. Okay.